How's it going, guys? Today, at the risk of being roasted, we're going to do an easy question. Today our question is called Detect Capital, and this is a question that's being asked by Google. So today, guys, our question is Detect Capital. It's a question that's being asked by Google. Our problem description says, given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. We define the uses of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. All letters in the words are capital, like USA. All letters in this word are not capital, like LeetCode. Or only the first letter in this word is capital if it has more than one letter, like Google. Otherwise, we define that this word doesn't use capitals the right way. So in example 1, we have the word USA, all caps. That's true, because all the letters are capitalized. In example 2, we have something like flag, where the capital letters are F and G, which is false, right? Because we don't want just the first letter and the last letter capitalized. And the input will be a non-empty word consisting of uppercase and lowercase Latin letters. So we really just need to check those three conditions, right? So it sounds like we need to count our characters, right? Our capital characters, I should say. And then we just need to determine, okay, are all of the letters capitalized, right? So does the capital count match the number of characters we have? Or are there no capital letters, which is also valid? Or do we have one capital letter and the capital letter occurs at the first character? And that's it, guys. That's all we have to do. So the first thing we want to do is just count how many capitals we have. So we could say something like int count equals 0. Then we could say for int I equals 0, while I is less than word.length. I plus plus. And now we're just going to check if the current character is a capital, we'll increment our count. So if character dot is uppercase word dot char at I. So if the current character is capitalized, we're going to say count plus plus. And now that's it. Now we have the count, right? We've gone through all the characters, we've counted the capital characters. Now we just have to check those three conditions, right? So we're going to return if count is equal to word.length, or count is equal to 0, or our count is equal to 1, and the first letter is capitalized, right? So character dot is uppercase word dot char at 0. And that should just about do it. Awesome, and it does. So guys, if you guys found this video helpful, do me a favor, leave this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you guys next time.